Hey, you guys, I'm so sorry. I've been absent for a little while, but with this COVID going on, girl, I haven't been able to get my timing right on anything. I hope you guys are safe and corona free. I wanted to come and upload a video for you guys using the newest Wahala palette from Juvia's Place. I call this the pink pop look. According to Juvia's Place, Wahala means drama. They added sparkle, duochromes, glitter. Girl, let's get into it. Okay, this part is gonna go real fast. I'm gonna start out with Pride, and then right in the middle, I'm gonna put the shade Woke, and then I'm gonna use this hot pink shade called Busybody to form the shape that I want on my eye. I did that really fast because it's going to be a long video. You guys know I hate long videos, but it's to get ready with me, so I felt like I had a little bit of time with y'all. I miss y'all. I hadn't uploaded a video in forever. Then I'm going to be using the shade called Sis, which is a charcoal gray shade. It's not black, but I wanted to give a little bit of the cat eye look, so I wanted to kind of carve out the outer V with a deeper shade. And I'm going to keep that brush with Pride on it handy so that I can make sure that the look stays soft underneath my eyebrows. From here until I add a little bit of glitter, you're going to see me go back and forth between brushes and those colors to make sure that the shades pop and that everything is even. I'm going to use Elf's liquid liner in charcoal. It's a matte black to put a little bit of liner on both eyes. The colors that I'll be using on my bottom lash line is Busybody and Woke. I'm going to take a little bit of Sis and add a little bit in the outer corner on the bottom as well. I'm just going to blend everything until I feel like it looks good to me before I go in and put Pepper Body on top of my eyeshadow. Am I not the only one that was ecstatic that Juvia's Place added fresh glitter to their palettes? Look at that. That's so pretty. I used my finger to put it on with initially, and then I just used a brush to kind of push it where I wanted it to go. It does work without adhesive. I wasn't going for a cut crease. I was going for soft glam, which is why I chose to do it this way. Envy in the inner tear duct, and we're gonna move on to these lashes. No need for a tutorial, y'all know how to do it already. Moving on to the face, Charlotte Tilbury, got a color correct. Elf Jelly Pop, Dewy Primer. Not just pat it on and let it dry. This one you do have to let it dry down a little bit before you put your foundation on. Let it dry, girl. Let it dry, because we about to be doing this thing in just a second. I'm going to be using the shade sticks also from Juvia's Place. I'm going to use Granada as a base shade and Namibia as my contour shade. I'm also going to be switching it up and using the I Am Magic concealer in the shade 15, which is my favorite. I originally used 14, but I went up a shade because I got lighter during the winter and the spring. My skin has lightened up to its original color, so I'm not as tan as I usually am during the summer. And let me give you guys a quick tip, and it's only because I always see it in the Juvia's Place group or people on my timeline that have tried these shade sticks. I have quite a few beginners that follow and support me. I have some other people that are just trying to figure it out, that love Juvia's Place, having a hard time with the shade sticks. The shade sticks are not designed to be matte. If you read the packaging and you read what Juvia's Place has online, it tells you that they are a natural finish foundation. So that means that they're workable, they're tweakable to me, but they're designed to give you a natural glow. You're not gonna get a complete matte look from these foundation sticks. It's just not gonna happen. You could put all the powder in the world on these and you're still gonna get some of that glow because that's what they're designed to be. It's very important to pick the correct primer. I can recommend about 3 primers that I know will work with these foundation sticks. It's the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer from e.l.f. It's like $8 to $10. The Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Cosmetics. That one is pretty similar to the Jelly Pop Primer. And then the Too Faced Hangover Primer. All of those work very well with these shade sticks. And I'm just gonna start blending out all that contour, make sure everything is where it's supposed to be, looking good, looking great, before we move on to the finishing touches on the face. I like to set with a setting spray first before I do the setting powder. This is Look Lock Up from CoverGirl. CoverGirl, do y'all still sell this? Is it still on shelves? Because I can't find it anywhere. When I initially got a hold to it, I bought 2 bottles. This is my 2nd bottle, and I can't find it. I'd like to have some more. Send your girl a bottle. Anyway, I was pretty happy with the way that this look turned out. Can y'all tell I'm getting my Tina Turner on? This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio called Peachy Love. It's my favorite. And the highlighter I'm using is from Stila. It's a putty highlighter. I forgot the name of it, but the shade is called Transcendence. It's like iridescent peaky blue, and it's very pretty. Love it. This is an Essence lip liner called Mauve. I'm gonna be lining my lips with that before I put on my lip gloss that you guys seen in those pictures on Instagram and Facebook. That glitter is so pretty. I am so impressed, Juvia's Place. I love y'all. And the lip gloss that I'm using is from Smashbox. It's from the Hood Witch collection, the Crystallized Gloss Angeles lip glosses. This is the shade called You Heal Me. It's also iridescent pink and blue. It's very pretty. Okay, so moving on to the hair. I'm gonna bump this hair because it's a little stiff like Wanda's was from Holiday Heart. But y'all just hold on, give me 1 second, let these curling irons heat up, and I'm gonna get with it in just a second. You gotta take it from looking stiff, you know. Y'all don't be laughing at my baby hair because guess what? I don't care. Put these hoops on right quick, then we gonna bump this hair. While I'm putting the finishing touches on this hair and completing this look, let me tell you guys that I will be posting more videos on Instagram. I'm going to be posting them in my IGTV. If you're interested in shorter videos without the commentary, that's definitely going to be the way to go. I'm going to be posting some exclusive stuff that I'm not doing here on YouTube on my IGTV, so make sure that you follow me over there. I have changed my name. It's no longer CC_Heran Park. It is HP Beauty with an I. I want to thank you guys for tuning in as always. Let me know how you guys feel about this look. Let me know how you feel about the Wahala palette. I'm also taking color suggestions. Thank you guys. I can't say it enough. I will see you on the next tutorial.